RhoVac is a biotech company or a pharmaceutical development company. It has essentially one technology that is all based on, that's called RB001, and that's a technology that allows the treatment of metastasizing cancer cells through targeting of a protein called RhoC. So the idea is generally to activate T cells in order to make them able to search and destroy metastatic cancer cells that have an overexpression of the protein RhoC. Well, it's different in the sense that it actually only targets metastasizing cancer cells through their overexpression of the protein RhoC, as I just explained. So it's different in that respect. It doesn't target any specific type of cancer like prostate cancer, bladder cancer, kidney cancer, but it targets metastasizing cancer cells specifically. Well, prostate cancer is an indication that currently doesn't have any adjuvant treatment on top of curative intent therapy, which would be surgery or local radiation therapy. So typically a prostate cancer patient, when diagnosed, if he's diagnosed with localized cancer, he would have surgery or local radiation therapy and then only watchful waiting or active surveillance, which is to say that he would have his PSA measured, but there would be no active treatment. Only at later stages, when there is a positive metastatic scan, he would go on to other treatments such as hormonal treatment, which is really castration therapy. So in between there's an opportunity gap, if you like, and that's where we want to target our treatment, right after prostatectomy or possibly when there's the first sign of PSA comeback. So far we've completed phase I/II, which is a study in slightly more than 20 patients. And the data basically found that the drug was safe and well tolerated, which is a necessity when you treat this kind of patient, because after all, a patient that has undergone curative intent therapy is ideally cured, so they won't accept severe side effects. We also measured the efficacy of the treatment in terms of the immune response generated by it, and 86% of the patients generated the desired immune response. Yes, we've only just embarked now on a Phase IIb trial, which will recruit about 175 patients over 30 centers in 6 countries in Europe plus the US. So there will be a continuous news flow on the progress of this trial. In addition, we also want to make exploratory trials outside of the prostate cancer indications, because let's remember, our drug is not designed specifically for prostate cancer. So we'll do a few minor trials also to provide at least indicative evidence of the applicability of our drug also in other cancers. And of course, in parallel with all of this, we'll do business development with the aim of securing a partner, which could be a licensee or an acquirer, at least by the readout of the data in 2021.